Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally I'll be doing a new hair video. I know it's been months since I've done a hair video for you guys, and I'll be featuring this faux lock slash a butterfly lock method. And the title, of course, I'm using for 4C hair or 4C 4B short hair, and this is a quick and easy method. I'm gonna go through all the steps. I'll show you all gradually as I go through the hair. It took me about 6 to 8 hours. I did have some time in between the day where I had to stop to do other things, but keep watching to see how I did this. If y'all wanna do your hair with me, that could help too. But I do repeat the process a couple times in the video. That way, if you missed it, you'll see it again coming up. So enjoy, stay tuned, and leave any comments after you're done. All right guys, so first things first, for today's hair look, I already pre-washed my hair and twisted up to how I would like it. And I did my parts for when I flip my hair. I did on both sides. If I want to flip to the left or the right, I can do that. And I did clip my ends. I gotta clip this one too. Yes, it's always good to clip your ends before protective style. That way, you know, the hair is growing healthy while it's in that. So I'm gonna start it, and then I'll come back again to show you guys some examples as I get closer to the front. Here I'll be using a KINKY HAIR, which is this one called the Natural Crochet Hair, and it has that more natural look. So I'm going to use that to latch up on to each of my hair strands and use this as a base, so that when I do the actual wrap around the curl to the butterfly locks, it'll be a little thicker and fuller. Alright, so I just did the back row. This is the crochet hook or latch hook. This is the hair. I kind of trimmed off the top. I'm just going to separate a piece of the hair like this, split it in half. And I'm just going to show you on this strand here how I get it in. You kind of loop it onto there like so, close it, pull through, push through. This is just to get it to tighten. And I pull it through the entire loop that I created. And then you just tighten. That way you got my hair here and this hair is here. I got 2 strands of the longer hair, and I'm just gonna put that same process, except I'm not going to do the wraparound loop. Close it. I'm only gonna pull through half, one side I should say. 2 on this side, 2 on this side. That way it's loose. I have all of this together now, so the kinky hair with the curling hair and my hair. I'm gonna wrap one side of it over, just to start. As you can see, it's really good in thickness. And then for the butterfly effect, you'll just kind of loop it over your finger a few times. I'm gonna do 2 times. You can just let it go, and then you keep wrapping. As I get closer to the bottom, I'm gonna start with the other side to keep the length. Close to the end, I'm going to kind of bend this piece up, and then I'm going to start wrapping it back up. Instead of having to burn the ends, we'll just blend the hair in with each other. And then at the end of that, and boom. I'm gonna go ahead and do the back, and I'll show y'all more as I get closer to the front. Alright guys, so I'm back. I got this far, I'm almost done. So I ran out of hair, so I'm gonna be doubling up. So I have 2 here, and I have my crochet hook here. I'm gonna go ahead and crochet that on. Start to wrap it back up into the braid, that way we can kind of tie it off. These are going to be flipped this way so that works out. So I'll show you guys one more time. I'm going to do these here and then I'll show you on the last two. And then for the loops, finger here. And that way kind of leaves a little space there. Guys, so this is the final look. This was so much fun to redo and improve on, because after the first time you do something, it might not come out the way you want it, and then you try it again and it's like boom, it snaps just like that. So I hope this method helped anyone who's trying to figure out an easy way to do faux locks / butterfly locks. It's easy, it's quick, it's a protective style, so your natural hair will be just fine under there. Make sure you do like moisturize. I use this conditioning braid sheen spray. Just like spritz that on my hair every morning. That way my hair stays hydrated and I don't have to be, you know, patting and scratching all day. And then you don't want, especially if you have like hair that flakes, you don't want to walk around with flakes, because you will see them in these kinds of hairstyles. So if y'all have any questions or any comments, leave them down below. Any ideas for new hair videos, and let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.